The Snapdragon Agent 3 chip from Qualcomm, which is the company's upcoming big thing, is helping Samsung break all the records. The 8 Gen 3 chip is being used in the very first early benchmark of the Galaxy S24 Plus model, and it is producing results that have never been seen on an Android phone before. This is a significant improvement over the Galaxy S23 Ultra from last year, and when it comes to the multi-core score, it even surprises the Apple A16. However, this is where it all ends because 8 Gen 3 won't be available in all markets because, surprise, the Exynos 2400 is making a comeback. The Exodus Chapter 2400 will return for the European and Asian markets, according to one of the most reliable sources of Samsung leaks out there, Ice Universe. Regrettably, Samsung is returning to the Exynos 2400 for the Asian markets, including the major market that is India. Don't be shocked if the entire of Europe also includes the UK. The UK has historically experienced Exynos, so this is also very likely to occur. Now, before you start to freak out, Samsung took 2 years to create this Exynos 2400 chip, and perhaps this will be the ultimate comeback design that can compete with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in terms of performance. I am aware that Samsung has previously let us down with all of their Exynos releases, so if they fail this time, people will never again have faith in Samsung. Finally, these are the Galaxy S24 Plus and S24 Ultra's leaked battery sizes. They are essentially the same as those of the model from a year ago. The screen size for the S24 Plus has also changed, coming in at 6.5 inches as opposed to 6.6 inches on the S23 Plus, suggesting that there has been a tiny increase for the S24 Plus. With all these leaks, it is almost certain that Samsung will continue to release the S24 Plus model in 2024. As a result, none of the S24 variants will be killed out. In conclusion, the 8 Gen 3 muscles appear remarkable. The Exodus Chapter 2400 cloud is returning and it's going to be hitting Europe and Asia. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.